Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we've been drawing animated character couples for the past few weeks. Last week we drew one of the first animated couples of all time, Betty Boop and Bimbo. This week, we're going to jump all the way to the other end of animation history and draw one of the most recent cartoon couples. I've gotten a lot of requests for Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps from the new Zootopia 2 movie, and while their relationship isn't necessarily a romantic one, these two are absolutely partners in every sense of the word. Now, stylistically, Nick and Judy are very different from the classic 2D characters we've been working with. They're from the more realistic CGI animated world. Lots of subtle shapes, fur textures, and natural proportions, which makes them a little trickier. But that won't stop us. And as a reminder, everything I draw in these videos is the first time I'm drawing it. No practice. I say that to let you know that the Level Up cartooning process I use works. And it'll work for you too. Okay, so let's draw. We're going to draw Nick and Judy step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other lessons, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this case, both Nick and Judy are roughly 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw the general shape of their heads, their bodies are about 4 of those tall, not including their ears, especially Judy's that stick up about another head tall, and their feet sticking out below. Okay, so what do you say we get started with a roadmap for today's pose of Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps? So there's our roadmap of Nick and Judy. Before we move on to step 2, I want to break the characters down using simple shapes for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. This is where we lightly sketch out the placement of the eyes, nose, mouths, and other things. I use guidelines to keep everything symmetrical and properly spaced. But remember, they're just guides. They're not in our final drawing, so you want to keep them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for Nick and Judy. Alright, so there are the roughed out features of Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps. Now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw on the final details of Nick and Judy. Because we've already done all the hard work, we're not guessing anymore. Now's the time to slow down and clean up your lines, just anything that feels off before committing to those final lines. But even while you're drawing the final lines, you should still be looking for ways to improve your drawing all the way until the very end. Alright, so let's draw on the final details for Nick and Judy from Zootopia 2. And that's how you do it. There you have it, from the awesome new Disney Pixar animation movie Zootopia 2, Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps. So how do you think you did? Understand, if this is the first time you've ever drawn Nick or Judy, don't worry about getting them perfect. Like most CGI animated characters, they're not easy. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring these characters during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Nick and Judy. And with that, you can draw them again and again, and by all means color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little easier and a little better. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Nick and Judy. If you can't, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.